Wildcats, it's Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm sharing with you deep water. So it's the most important rule of scuba diving. If it just doesn't feel right, then you just don't go. But for some reason, our main character Julie just doesn't listen to her heart. So her dad falls ill, and Julie agrees to take on 2 clients that her dad has already signed up for a deep sea scuba diving mission. So her father stays behind on the boat. But when the clients, a reckless boy who is Julie's age, and an equally foolhardy father, disregard any of Julie's instructions, she quickly realizes that she's in over her head. Only she doesn't realize how bad it is until they all reach the surface. One of the clients is in serious condition, and their dive boat has vanished, along with Julie's father, who is the only person who knows their whereabouts. So it's only a matter of time before they die from hypothermia because of the cold water, or become shark bait, whichever one happens first. And so it is up to Julie, even though she may not really like these people, to save them, her father, and herself. So can Julie do it? Will it end up being a safe mission after all? To find out, read Deep Water. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.